On clicking on this plus button, right, there are multiple LLM models which you can attach, which you want to attach, right? DeepSeek, Gemini, Claude, Anthropic, right? All the LLM models are available here. Based on your requirement, you can choose the particular LLM model. For example, I'm going to attach here OpenAI. Here, we need to give the API key for that model and it's attached to our AI agent. It will start responding to you. Suppose my name is Imtiaz. Nice to meet you, Imtiaz. It started responding. If I ask, what is my name? I don't know your name because we haven't attached a memory to this AI agent. In the next video, let's understand how we can attach a memory to an AI agent.